And the purpose, and we have our secretary to the Joseph Nerima for the respondent.
Yes, thank you, Chair and members. Earlier on, when my position as I came here is that we were not I have listened to
Article 50 grants every accused person the unfettered right to a fair hearing. Article 47 equally reinforces this by demanding that there must be fair administrative action. As a committee, we operate strictly within the law. And where the rights of any individual is about to be trampled upon, we must bend over backwards to accommodate that particular request. It is therefore the decision of this committee that on that basis alone, and I emphasize, on that basis alone, it has been decided that these proceedings will adjourn until tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. on the dot, that the honorable member may present himself so that these proceedings may commence.